So the public hearing for the scientific coal mining in 3 locations took place about 2 months back, and after that, the file has gone back to the forest and the pollution board, and necessary clearances have been given now from the environment department, forest and environment department, and pollution board. And now the files have reached Delhi. The coal ministry in Delhi is now going to give the final, after seeing all the approvals that have been given by the different departments of the central government, the different departments of the state government. Now the final approval and the stamp is given by the coal ministry for the opening of the mines, the permission to open the mines. And that is the final permission that is to be given after the coal ministry goes into all these aspects. I do take this opportunity to also share that one has to understand the complexity of actually making this happen. It was a very, very, very complex and difficult procedure that we had to follow. Not only the fact that we had to fight with different agencies in terms of, say, the NGT or the others in Supreme Court, which again was very complicated and difficult, which we prevailed, of course, and we got the ban lifted. We also required to start the scientific mining and procedures as per our land laws out here, which are very different from the rest of the country. And hence, Government of India had to make specific provisions for Meghalaya because the land holding system is different out here, which then again created a large hurdle for us. Then we also, of course, had the issue where the mines were, of different nature. The technology being used would be slightly different compared to other places which have scientific mining, because the seam, and the coal that is present out there is in layers, and it's very, large seams that are there, small seams that are there. So hence, the technology being used in other locations does not imply, completely solve our problem. So on and so forth. There were multiple issues that came up because it's a completely new area, and hence, yes, some concerns were raised by certain individuals about the delay. But these are very difficult aspects which needed to be handled at multiple levels, whether it's Government of India, whether it's NGT, whether it's the environment, whether it's Supreme Court, Coal India. We had to talk to multiple agencies. So therefore, it's very easy to look from outside and say, what is happening, why aren't things moving fast? But it's very complicated. And once we are complete with the whole process, and once we come out with the full detail of what happened, I'm sure people will appreciate the work that we have put in to make this happen today. It was very difficult, but as I said, that today now we are just waiting for the coal ministry. After all the permissions have been given from all the concerned stakeholders and departments, final opening permission of the mines will be given by the coal ministry, looking at all the paperwork submitted by the state and the central government agencies.